every human being has got 8 intelligences: linguistic intelligence, logical or mathematical intelligence, bodily, musical intelligence, spatial intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, and naturalistic intelligences. We all have this. Today, we shall explore the intrapersonal and linguistic intelligence. As I briefed you earlier, we are going by the alphabetical order. So intrapersonal and linguistic comes today. So every week we will know with regard to the strengths and characteristics, how people learn who are having this as a dominant intelligence, and the potential career choices for every respective intelligence. So today we have in the plate the intrapersonal intelligence and linguistic intelligence. Yes. Intrapersonal intelligence. Let us go through this one. So this is the capability of reflecting upon one's own emotions and reactions and viewing our own personality very clearly. That means, who am I? There is an answer for who am I. It's not where am I. Interpersonally is where am I, and intrapersonally is who am I. So these people are called the individuals. They're always individual, they know what they are doing and all. We'll go through the characteristics that determine the dominance of intrapersonal intelligence. These people are very unique. They meditate, they practice yoga. When I say this, seriously, okay? Seriously. We also do that, but not probably seriously, not me at least. Listen to motivational audio and video tapes, write an autobiography, which is very rare today. Very rare. We only have biographies, not autobiography, right? And they create their own personal ritual. They have got their own personal ritual. At this time I will have this, at this time I will go here, I will perform this particular ritual, and all these things. They will have their own thing, and they communicate it and are very serious about that. All right. They establish a quiet place in their home for introspection. They have a place, maybe a particular corner in the bedroom, a particular balcony, or a terrace, and even in the terrace also a particular place. They will have a place where they go sit there and do an introspection. What happened? What happened? What did I do today? Who am I? Am I doing the right thing? Did I do the thing which I have planned in the morning when I got up? So these are the questions that will be coming in their mind, and they will be performing. I'm sure we are also doing it, but not dominant. Okay. And we have two words. I'm sure you remember that. One is dominant. People who are dominant, they will be doing seriously. But everybody does this, right? It's something like, recording and working with our message of the dreams in our daily diary. I'm sure everybody are ready with your diaries today, right? So till yesterday, we have been waiting for our LIC agent to give us the diary. I'm very sure, or at least you will get a diary from Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam TTD diary, something, something or the other. You will have a notebook. Resolving that resolution is from today onward, January 1st onwards, I am going to write my diary, come what may, because I attended a session in Utsahan, right? And we'll start resolving that, every day I will write what I have done. Okay. And today evening, you will take out the book and you will write. So since morning, I got up at so-and-so time, and you will write every point, got up at so-and-so time, breakfast, and all these, in the sequence we'll be writing. Okay. Then what happens? I slept at so-and-so time. You will be writing that also. This is called the introspection, right? On a regular basis, you will be writing this. And suddenly what happens tomorrow? Again, you will be starting. I got up at so-and-so time. I did a breakfast. I had this one. I went to the office. So-and-so thing happened in the office, and this is what it happened. Right. You'll be writing for the second day. Third day, you will be starting. Oh my God, every day it is the same, right? Then we will write, from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m., same as previous day. Fine. So what happens is, it is getting reduced. Yes, it is my own book. It is my own resolution, which I did, right? It's my interest. So what happens is, after 1 week, we will change our resolution. And thankfully, it is the first day of the year. I'm very glad that I'm sharing this particular example which I used to give to my teachers every time. So after 1 week, we will decide that I will start writing every week, and that week is every time the week is going to be Sunday. Sunday I will sit. So what happens is the entire weekly tasks on Sunday, everything on Sunday. Waking up late Sunday, meeting my parents Sunday, sightseeing Sunday, taking family outside Sunday, everything on Sunday, and we will get up awake, and that never comes. And suddenly, what happens to the diary for which you have been waiting for on a 31st December evening? So invariably, the diary is just vacant. Maximum February 15th, maximum. After that, the entire diary, every year, will you take it back? I'm talking about general people who have got recessive ones, okay? Like, majorly the statistics say that, 80 to 85% of people are like that, unfortunately. We have the diary, but it's not full after February month. And what do we do with that? All our, grocery list will be there in that. And whenever a small child comes, neighbor's child or your friend's children comes home, we'll just give that particular thing, ask him to scribble everything, whatever he can. Unfortunately. But let us not do, my dear friends, let us not do that. Because intrapersonal is the most, important intelligence or a characteristic which makes you a you. So the answer for who am I, you will get it from that, which is very important. All right. I become very emotional when I touch this particular aspect. It is the one thing we don't like everybody telling us, right? We don't like everybody commenting on us. We don't like everybody suggesting us. Then suggest yourself. You are everything. So teach yourself something new. Teach yourself a skill. Teach yourself a language. Teach yourself a sport, an art form. Start your own, own business. Develop an interest and hobby that sets you apart from the crowd. Then you will become a unique person. I'm sure I'm making it serious. And you create a short-term and a long-term goals for yourself. Every day morning, get up, set a short-term goal. Today, I'm not going to sleep without doing this particular thing. We preach that. Don't sleep today, my dear child. You tell your son, telling that, without doing this one, you're not going to sleep. The same thing, put it on yourself. You will see massive change in yourself. You will see a lot of changes in ourselves. Example is myself. I did this particular work, I did this particular study, I did this particular presentation for today's evening, today afternoon. Though I am doing for the past 20 years, the same module is handled several times, several target groups, but I never leave an opportunity when I get an opportunity like this, because this is a different platform altogether. So 10 minutes every evening, that is, I'm talking about evening is before going to the bed, to mentally review various thoughts and feelings you had during the day. Start writing at least one point, strong point, which talks about how you spend your quality time with your people. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. And I'm sure from today onwards, we are going to have at least a notebook. Don't wait for a diary to come. Don't wait for your LIC agent to give you a diary for you. Take a notebook. Just take a 20, 30 rupees notebook. Put a date there. Have it as your diary. That's enough. It's called a journal. It's called a journal. It's called a journal. Okay. Right. So they are very strong. So intrapersonal. Let us develop this particular. Have a dominant intrapersonal intelligence from today onwards. I'm sure we will all see a sea change in our behavior and characteristics, because we start enjoying, we start respecting ourselves. Oh my God, did I have so much potential in me? What a great feeling it's going to be. And let us help our dear ones also in that. All right. And this is wonderful opportunity for us to analyze our strengths and weakness. It's a wonderful opportunity for us to enjoy analyzing theories and ideas. Will it work for me? Can I do dance? Can I sing a song? Can I write a poem? Can I write a story? Can I write a summary? Can I also talk like this? So you'll be having excellent self-awareness because of this particular habit in us, because of this particular dominant intelligence in us. All right. And majority of the people, the career choice of these people, such people will be, mostly the writers, the theorists and scientists. A lot of scientists will be having such people, and philosophers like, our sannyasis, our munis, Vivekananda, those people, Swamijis and all these people. They are the people who will be influencing us on these things. All right. That is all about intrapersonal intelligence. And I wish everybody in Utsahin have this particular thing. That's my interest. All right. Okay, all said and done, let us go to the next one, which is the linguistic intelligence. This is another beautiful area. Another beautiful area where linguistic intelligence, that is the people who have got dominant linguistic intelligence, will be using the words just like that, beautifully. It flows from them. It could be orally or written. There are people who will be writing very well. They will not be able to speak. There are people who will be speaking very well, but not able to write. They will ask everybody to write. It's like, our Kavis and all these people. Kabir Das, our Tyagaraja Swami, our Annamacharya, these people, all the Swati Tirunal, and these people, they never sit and write what it is. They will only, keep on rendering, and other people, their servants, their associate, they will be writing. So I'm not telling that, we have to be like that, but we can do both. But let us have one beautiful, dominant into that particular thing. Let us start using words beautifully. The language, what we know, let us have a wonderful language in an effective manner. And this is more associated with the storytellers. And needless to say, our politicians, comedians, how just, spontaneously they come, they do that. And this is more, these are the skills, linguistic intelligence skill involves a lot of verbal and writing talent. Though you have to write, though you have to speak, you have to write somewhere, right? I'm having a written format with me. I'm using a written format. It's not coming just like that with me, because I should not miss any flow there. I should not miss any connection there. And this will only have if you have the intrapersonal also, right? So without intrapersonal, we will not be having anything else. We cannot have any showcase of whatever talent we have got. And these people, the dominant people, the dominant in linguistic intelligence people are the people who has the ability to memorize the vocabulary and dates. They know which word I should use at this particular poem. They know very well, which date that particular instance happened. They're very strong in linguistic and verbal intelligence, like our ex-Prime Minister, P.V. Narasimha Rao. He's the role model for me. Who knows, 13 languages. He knows 13 languages, how to write and read and write also. He has written several documents in that, several novels in that. He has translated many works from Telugu to those languages, from other languages to inter-languages, and also they have done. And why I told you he's an inspiration for me is, maybe it's a news for others, new to me. I know all the South Indian languages. Though my mother tongue is Telugu, I know Kannada, I know Tamil, I know Malayalam, because I did my studies from Kerala. I know Malayalam very well. Writing and reading both. All these languages I know, writing and reading, except Kannada, of course. Kannada I know only how to speak. I never got an opportunity to write, of course. And apart from this, Hindi and English, so 4 + 2 is 6, and one beautiful language, beautiful melodious, language, which is Bengali. I had to learn. So because of my interest towards languages, maybe because of my dominance toward that particular language, I was able to learn that particular language, Bengali. I was in Bengal for 3 years. So what I mean to say is, intelligence can be developed. All right. We can start learning at any point of time. The only thing is you should have that intrapersonal thing. Am I doing it? Am I able to do it? This particular ability should be there in you, which will take you to any extent. All right, good. So they are typically very good at writing stories, memorizing information and reading. Reading is very important. When you start reading, the next step is writing. When you start reading, next step is writing. So as we always say, LSRW, you have to listen to other person, then start speaking in that particular language, then read related to that particular language, and then only you can write. It ends with writing. Then only you will have the completeness of that particular linguistic intelligence. Am I clear? And the characteristic is, as I told you, they enjoy reading and writing. I enjoy reading and writing. Of course, listening starts, of course. And they are very good in debating, the debating and perceive speeches, like your Arnab Goswami or your anchor in a program or a presenter in one of the programs. And these people they are very good in, using that particular language. Suddenly they will change the language and talk in those lines, and the modulation will be changed in that particular way, right? I used to use this particular example, when two people who do not understand each other understand that they do not understand each other, understands better than when not understanding each other. They do not even understand that they do not understand each other. See the modulation of that particular word understand. If I just read it just plain, if two people who do not understand each other understand that they do not understand each other, understand better than when not understanding each other, they do not even understand that they do not understand each other. There is no sense in that, right? But when you give the modulation, that adds value to that. When two people, understands that they do not understand each other, understands better than when not understanding each other. They do not even understand that they do not understand each other. Wonderful, right? So this is because of the dominant, linguistic intelligence. The same thing I tried in Malayalam also. There is a dialogue also famous. I should say this, I will tell in Telugu also. Manasilayo എന്ന് ചോദിക്കുമ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലാകാതെ മനസ്സിലായെന്ന് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ മനസ്സിലായതും കൂടി മനസ്സിലാകാതെ പോകും. മനസ്സിലായോ? So you're very familiar with that. Malayalis will be familiar in that. And Telugu is the same thing, అర్థమైందే అని అడిగినప్పుడు అర్థం కాకుండా అర్థమైందని చెప్పావంటే అర్థమైంది కూడా అర్థం కాకుండా పోతుంది. అర్థమైందా? See the question mark, comma, exclamation, all these things are come into this one. How beautiful it's, right? I just use this as an example, but the storytellers will be using a lot. Who are the storytellers? The people who are having dominant linguistic intelligence. They're very able to, they're very much able to, explain things very well. They know the flow. Who is that? The people who are having dominant linguistic intelligence. And such people, if you find that, people are having such craze and crazy about languages, they are the most beautiful career choice for them will be the lawyers. And more than all these people, the beautiful teachers, wonderful teacher. The teachers, subject wise, they know what is the word they have to use. They know how to modulate this particular thing. Teachers are fantastic. They know very well. Social studies teachers know very well. They cannot just, read a blank thing like that. They will have, even those people have those emotions coming into that. Voice actors, narrators, the people who narrate the stories, and most importantly, the presenters. So these are the two beautiful intelligences which we have got today. So the first one is intrapersonal. Those people are called the individuals. And second people, linguistic intelligence people, are called the word players. So having done the individuals and the word players, today let us end this particular thing. Two beautiful intelligences, which is very important, and we can also do that. That is a confidence in us. We can definitely do it. And my request is, let us start working from intrapersonal intelligence. Let us start writing a journal from today. Start writing a journal from there. Don't just take it as a preaching or anything. Try that once, and you will see a sea change in you, as I promised you. You're going to have it. All right. Okay. Thank you so much for this wonderful listening, and I hope it was useful for you. And next week we are going to have the next two intelligences that come in the alphabetical order. Next one is logical intelligence and the musical intelligence, L and M. Logical intelligence and musical intelligence, which comes, again, hand to hand.